Crypto enthusiasts. Did you know the global crypto market is worth over $1 trillion? That's a lot of money floating around, waiting to be made. How do you get your piece of the crypto pie? It's thrilling and lucrative. Buy low, sell high, like the stock market, but with digital currencies. Crypto prices can swing wildly, offering profit opportunities.